Good morning, everybody. This is Dr. Sigler. I'm going to be working with you on this very fast 3-week version of Management 303, Management and Organizational Behavior. Hope you all had a good holiday and a break because now it's time to work. So when you come into the class on the home page, start out with course information. So you'll get the course description, a little bit about the course, an introduction to my family, my furry family, information about the textbook. You can use the e-version of the Cengage book. You can purchase the $120 per semester all-inclusive Cengage, or you can use a hard copy of the textbook. We are not going to be using MindTap for any grading. For any graded assignments, you can use it to study. If you haven't used Canvas before, here's a tutorial. Basically, every week you're going to work on a variety of modules that are going to have discussion posts, written assignments, and quizzes. So we'll look at that a little more closely. So you can scroll through about me. Obviously, we're all online right now, so if you have any questions, please email me. That's the best way to get me information about the technical requirements, information, help services, more information about Canvas, and then we actually get started. So in the first week, we're going to do 3 different modules. So for every module, you've got an introduction, learning objectives, which chapters it covers, and your assignments. So next, and your discussion board posts are all due on Wednesday. So this week you have 3 discussion board posts due on Wednesday. First one's pretty basic. Introduce yourself to the class. And so post your introduction by Wednesday. Respond to at least 2 other posts by Sunday at midnight. Your first written assignment is to choose an organization and identify the general task and internal environment. So this is an individual written assignment. You type it up in a Word document, save it, and then submit your document here. Here's the grading rubric. Module 1 quiz is right here. Quiz, chapters 1 and 2. So the quiz is like every other module. It's going to cover 10 questions from each chapter. So this chapter 1 and 2 are in the first module quiz. They're multiple choice, and some of them are true false. I need to fix that. So complete the quiz on your own without your book notes or any material. Questions are randomly drawn from the textbook test bank, just so you know how that works. So this is the only part of the class, the quizzes, that relies on you reading through the textbook. Okay, so the next module, Managing in a Global Environment, and Ethics and Social Responsibility. So in this module, we'll be looking at global environment, ethics, and social responsibility. So the next 2 chapters. Discussion board again. This one asks you, what is the triple bottom line? Find an example and share with others in your class. The written assignment for this module has you looking at China or India, choosing which one you'd like to role play a leadership position, and then answer these questions about that position. Module 2 also has a quiz, 20 questions, multiple choice and true false from the 2 chapters. And then finally, for the first week, Module 3 is talking about planning and goal setting and making decisions. So take a look at the chapters, focus on this discussion board. Asks you to find an example of a business that made a bad decision, share that here on the discussion board, and then use specific concepts to explain where this company went wrong. Your written assignment, to choose an organization and do a SWOT analysis. So that's an individual assignment you'll submit to me. And then finally, the last quiz, chapters 5 and 6. So again, take the quiz on your own, 20 questions, multiple choice. So we're moving fast. That's a basic overview of week 1. I look forward to working with you and reading your responses.